Welcome to our beard trimmer showdown. Today we will be comparing two fantastic grooming tools, the MANSCAPED Beard Hedger and the 17PC Beard Trimmer Kit. Both products are designed for precision and convenience, but they offer different features that cater to various grooming needs. Let's dive in and see how they stack up against each other. The MANSCAPED Beard Hedger features a sleek, modern design with a stainless steel T-blade and a 20-length adjustable blade wheel, making it perfect for precision trimming. On the other hand, the 17PC Beard Trimmer Kit offers a versatile all-in-one design with multiple attachments for various grooming needs, including mustache and nose trimming. Both designs are user-friendly and cater to different grooming preferences. When it comes to performance, the MANSCAPED Beard Hedger boasts a powerful cordless motor with 7,200 RPM and 20-length settings for precise trimming. In contrast, the 17PC Beard Trimmer Kit provides a comprehensive grooming experience with various attachments and a long runtime of 90 minutes, making it suitable for all grooming tasks. Both products deliver excellent performance, tailored to different user needs. Both the MANSCAPED Beard Hedger and the 17PC Beard Trimmer Kit are designed with water resistance in mind. The Beard Hedger is rated IPX7, making it waterproof and suitable for wet and dry use. Meanwhile, the 17PC Kit is IPX6 rated, meaning it is showerproof and can handle moisture during grooming. This feature adds convenience and versatility to both products. In conclusion, both the MANSCAPED Beard Hedger and the 17PC Beard Trimmer Kit offer unique features tailored to different grooming needs. Whether you prefer precision trimming or an all-in-one grooming solution, both products are excellent choices. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and grooming